I'm going to show you how to hook your laptop up to my computer, printer in C109. So in the search button, you want to type settings. When you get to settings, click on devices. You have to make this window large. So if yours isn't large, if it's small like this, you need to enlarge it so that you see these side options. Go to devices and printers. We want to add a printer. Now, this is going to give us a list of all of Harford County Public School printers. We don't want to do that. We want to look just for Falston Middle School printers. So, click the printer that I want isn't listed. Now you're going to click Find a printer in the directory based on location or feature and hit Next. In location, and you got to give it a moment to load up. You can make this large too. In location, you want to type FAMS for Falston Middle School. And then click Find Now. These are all the printers in Falston Middle School. And right here, C109. OK. And it takes a while for it to connect. So you just wait for it to connect. Wait for it to connect. We're still waiting for it to connect. Takes a while. And when this is done finding my printer in C109, I believe you click Next and then Finish. And then it'll say, do you want to print a test paper to be sure you're really connected? We're not going to do that because that's just a waste of paper. Now we have an awkward silence. Awkward, awkward, awkward. Come on. Gosh, what is taking so long? It's actually not awkward. It's only awkward because you said it was awkward. Well, I think I'm going to stop the recording here and just let you know that when this process finishes, there's a button down here that says Next and then Finish. And then again, it will ask you, do you want... Oh, here we go. Hello. Oh, still connecting. You've successfully added C109. Hit Next. No, we don't want to print a test page. We just want to finish. Boom. Now you're done. So now when you're in Microsoft Word, and let's say we just type, oops, I guess this student has never been in Microsoft Word before, so we're going to go back in. Oh, Word. And this is a test. So if you wanted to print this, you'd go File, Print. Now, this is going to the Media Center. You want it to go to C109, and then you would hit Print, but I'm not going to waste paper. So now this computer is set up to always go to C109. But if it's on anything else, these are your options, and C109 is the best option to go with. Okay, I'm not saving this, and there you go. Good luck, boys and girls.